In our cover story, corn exports have increased in 4 of the last 6 weeks, and that trend may continue. The surge in demand comes as livestock herds increase and China agrees to accept genetically modified corn. Analysts say U.S. sales of corn are going up due to increased demand domestically from producers of cattle, hogs, and poultry.
We are seeing a rebuilding of herds. Hog numbers are on the rise again after some real health issues over the last year. Cattle numbers are starting to slowly turn the corner and increase a little bit.
Corn exports may also rise on news of Ukraine failing to meet contract demands to deliver corn to China this year. And more problems in China, millions of tons of corn rotting in the fields.
Our chances to do some business with them either way has just shot up tremendously here in the last 24 hours or so.
And a big boon coming to U.S. corn producers. As part of trade agreements announced last month between President Obama and Chinese President Xi Jinping, China will accept genetically modified corn developed by Swiss agrochemical company Syngenta. Since last year, China has rejected over 1.2 million tons of it. The GMO corn seed was at the heart of a lawsuit brought by ADM, Cargill, and others, accusing Syngenta of falsely claiming that the corn would be accepted.
The U.S. and the Chinese negotiators were able to get together. We know that they've worked hard on some pollution deals that seem to be moving and made some accords there, and it looks like that's led to some further opening of the Chinese market again to U.S. corn.
Already, China is the biggest buyer of soybeans and cotton from the U.S. This week, trade talks in Chicago between Agriculture Secretary Tom Vilsack and Chinese officials extends trade further. According to Hua Wenfeng, senior researcher at Beijing Orient, all the infrastructure and logistics facilities are in place, so a large part of China's future corn imports will be from the U.S. Shares of Syngenta rose 2.6% this week on reports of the corn agreement between the U.S. and China. It closed up at $64.38.